Alright guys, heading down Soy 5, just past the new La Crèmerie, new bakery, French bakery. Get some cobwebs out. Got to be careful with the bumps down here, a lot of speed bumps. Nice ocean view on the right there guys, look how nice that looks today. A few more tourists around nowadays I'm noticing, but nothing really heavy like in January, February. But whoop, bit of a bump there. Alright, stuck behind this van for a little bit, but all the palm trees there, little restaurants on the left, never been to any there. Just entering Pattaya Road junction onto Beach Road at Jomtien Beach area. This is the beginning of it guys. Beautiful walking promenade all the way down. This is a long road. New McDonald's on the left, been there a couple of months. Soy 5 down there, Cheap Charlie's, and the immigration place. Gonna spend a lot of time in there. It's a one-way system now. You have to go up to Soy 7, I think, and then turn up to Second Road and come back down again. But yeah, heading down here, just thought I'd give you a view of the whole beach, a little ride around Jomtien. I'm not sure about Jomtien, guys. I find it quite boring down there, but I'm not a beach guy, so maybe it's different. But, you know, you get the same in Pattaya. There's better beaches out there, but hey, if you're just chilling on holiday, not a problem. It's nice. Big condos on the left here. Coming down here, I've walked this road many a time. It's a one-way system now as well for the songtails. You have to get them 10 baht and go all the way round and come back again. So if you're down here and get out somewhere here, say, and then you want to go back up to the top, you've either got to walk or you've got to walk up to Second Road and get another songtail back to Pattaya. But it's all good. It's good exercise. When I first came to, there's an event going on the right there. That's the jet ski, world's best jet ski competition. It's going to be on this week. So I might get down there and try and get some video of it. International tournament. Lots of little restaurants, bars, little hidden gems along here. I stayed in a little guest house down here on the left. Now we're entering Najomtien. This is the furthest beach down. You go all the way down. Beautiful. Look how empty the beaches are. You want a quiet walk or lay on the beach with no one around you. And this is season. So we're coming to the end of Najomtien. I don't know how they make money down here. I really don't. But seafood restaurants everywhere, obviously. I've never been past this point here. Let's see what's up here. Gonna head up the road. Gives you guys a good view. Little restaurants, coffee shops on the left here. Yeah, I've never been here. This is like a Gucci area. I think this is an upscale area. Let's see what they got around here. It's bigger hotels, higher end condos. But I think they're a bit far from the beach, but you know, it's just around the corner, I guess. Yeah, it's a Monaco hotel. The Riviera group. So yeah, it looks upscale. And people walking around here, definitely upscale people staying here. Heading back out into a little bit of the countryside. Let's see where this road takes us. I have no idea. Stop for a quick curry, guys, for some lunch. There's a new restaurant. I hadn't seen it before. Thought I'd give it a try. Chicken tikka masala, rice, naan bread, and a chapati and a coke. It was about 420 Thai baht. Bit expensive, but I'll tell you, I was hungry. It tasted good, not like a chicken tikka masala I've ever had, and I've had plenty. It was more like a jalfrezi, but anyway, we're back on the bike now. We're heading down. There's a little where that road was, where we were just on the posh area at the very end of it, the country road. It's a little fishing village. You can smell all the fish and everything. I'm not sure many tourists are going to come down this area. Here's the reason: the soy dogs. They're everywhere and they're pretty aggressive. I wouldn't walk down here. There's too many out on the street. Heading down now to the like a beach area or something. It's a fishing. It's where all the fishing boats come in. A little inlet. Looks like they're doing it all up, but like I said, it's I'm not sure if many tourists are going to come here. It's mainly just for local Thais. But hey, some people might like it. See, the dogs are everywhere. I definitely wouldn't walk around these streets. And it's a shame because there's another one lying on the road. 3,500 baht a month there, rent for a room. Yeah, I wouldn't want to live down here just because of the dogs, you know. That's the problem. Thailand don't understand it. Where the dogs and all that are, they don't get the tourists. So how are they going to get customers? I guess they don't care, but which way, left or right? Let's go right. So I'm just going in. I'm just getting lost really in the fishing village. See where it takes me. Little narrow streets here. Got to be careful around here. Cobbled streets too. But nice little neighborhood in a way. It's quaint. It's something you don't see often. You know, palm trees. Everyone's got nice gardens. I bet. Pick their own fruit, grow their own fruit. They do that in Thailand a lot now. You know, have their own rice, everything. They're very resourceful, the Thai people, trust me. Up in an alleyway here, I don't even know if I can get out of here. But hey, sharp left turn here. Let's get up here. See where we are. Washing, laundry, little um, tuk-tuks here. They must service them or replenish them with food. Let's see where this old road takes us. Yeah, it's just a little ride out today, guys. You know, just to see an area I've never been. You know, it was enjoyable. But yeah, I hope you have a good day, guys. I appreciate you.